Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and I'm going to show you some yarns of the week. Not yarn of the week, but there's 4, although they're related. So the reason I'm going to do this is because I've been destashing quite a bit, and as many of you probably know, I have a shop, hobbyrocks.co.uk, and I like to show you the yarns that I can get, and this is a little bit different from the way I've done it before. But what I've done is I've got a selection of nice spring summer yarns that have got the most gorgeous colours for all of the Easter and summer projects, and discounted them. So first off, I've got the wrong one at the front. Let's see, where is it? I have Beaches. You Beaches? No, you're not. I did. Still got the wrong one at the front. Okay, I have, this has got a very similar name. So this is, that's Beaches. That goes back there. I have Cherish. Yeah, Cherish. Now I should have 3 types of Cherish. I have this one, almost sold out actually. Hardly anything left in this one. And I have this one. So I've got pinks, blues, and rainbow. Those are the 3 varieties I've got. Now just go with those. They are beautiful. Look at those. All of those colours are brilliant for Easter, spring and summer. So I'll tell you a little bit about them. First off, the Cherish in the rainbow, we've got a little swatch there. Obviously they're relative to how you work up how big your project is and everything else, but it's got this really lovely pattern in. Okay, let's put the net like on and have a little looky. So these are 100 grams. Some of the ones I've got are not. This is called Sprinkles 3511 Sprinkles. It's 100% low pilling acrylic. It's super soft, and it's got 262 yards or 240 meters. This one's my favourite, as you can imagine. You know me, I love a bit of rainbow. But I also love the vibrancy of this one, and I'm not surprised that it's kind of almost sold out. So I'm going to put that one in the bag and then give you the info on this. It's called Strawberry, 1116 Strawberry. There's the swatch to show you how that one works up and how the striping works out. It's very pretty, really, really lovely. So that's this one. And this one is called, at least they give it names, Powder Blue. It's got some really lovely light silvery greys and some blues in there. You know I love blue, but that's just beautiful. And I can't tell you how, this is so, so soft. Now to go with those, before I do, I'll tell you the price. So I had a little looky online, and for Cherish, Wool Warehouse are $3.79 per ball. Lovecrafts are $3.99 per ball. I couldn't see any at Knitting Network, and mine are $3.59 a ball, so cheaper. So to go hand in hand with Cherish, you have Cherished. Cherished. So Cherish are variegated and Cherished are solid colours. Obviously this is white. So I will tell you the yards and stuff like that though, in case they vary slightly. This one's just called white, 1410 white, 100% low pilling acrylic, 262 yards, 240 meters, 100 grams, and you can machine wash it and all that stuff. There's the symbols. They're very pale, but you can probably make those out. So lovely, beautiful colours. Now this is actually cheaper than the variegated, and it comes in this beautiful kind of teal, which they call, upside down of course, it wouldn't be me, would it? Sea Breeze, beautiful colour, Sea Breeze. I love that. It's got a lovely sheen on it as well, and it is ridiculously, it's silky soft this way as well. You know it's just beautiful and soft. Then we've got a blue, and that one is called Baby Blue, and it really is a baby blue. They're very, very, very very lovely yarns. I really love these. And then I've got a gorgeous lemon, and that's called Lemon. The number, if you need it, 1420 Lemon. So that's that one. And lastly, a gorgeous pink. This one is a beautiful colour pink. Absolutely gorgeous. And it is called Powder Pink. I've heard of powder blue, but not so much powder pink. So that's the cherished. So now, refreshing our memory, that Cherish in Hobby Rocks was $3.59 and everywhere else was $3.79, $3.99. Cherish is $3.29 in Wool Warehouse and $3.29 in Knit Network, but at Hobby Rocks it's £3.19. Beat them again. Way! Love beating them, love it. Okay, next yarn. Those are my favourites, I have to say. I like these too, but I just love those. Having said that, now I'm looking at these. You know what it's like with yarn, don't you? It's kind of like, whatever one you're touching is your favourite, right? Okay, so before I carry on, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And hopefully you might get notified when new videos pop up. Now, I'm not sure if I've got all of the colours of this one. I think I have. I didn't get masses of it. It's called Beaches. Because I had the other one, I thought that looked upside down then. It's not. Because I had the other one, I didn't want to get too many of these, but this is even softer. I mean, it is seriously crazy soft. And it feels like the softest, silkiest cotton that you've ever touched in your entire life. Although it's not. It is 70% premium acrylic and 30% polyamide. You get 278 yards, 255 meters for 100 grams. This one is called Panama Beach. So they're named after beaches, and this one's Panama. And not just that one, we've got this kind of muted rainbow. One of my hairs on that one. Muted kind of rainbow. It's beautiful. Look at the gorgeous colours in that. I love a rainbow yarn. I do. And this one is called Sunset Beach. And it's got some lovely banana colours in there. And mauves. Look at that. That's Sunset Beach. I'm trying not to blind you with the light. But if I keep turning it off and on, it gets a bit silly. Then this one is gorgeous as well. And this is so pretty. Look at those colours in there. Really, really gorgeous. And ultra super soft. And this one's called Beaches and Cream. Beaches and Cream. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Well, actually, if it was peaches, it'd be yummy. So, Beaches then. Beaches at Wool Warehouse. £4.39 a ball. Skein, whatever you want to call it. Now, Lovecrafts, £4.75. Even more. Hobby Rocks, $4.29. Beat them again. Beat them again. So lastly, along with Beaches, so we had Cherish and Cherished. We've got Beaches and we've got Tropical Beaches. Tropical Beaches are more vibrant. This one is called Banana Beach. I know it very well. I love it. I've used it a lot. So these are 200 grams. You can see they are quite a big size difference. They're 200 gram balls, so obviously they are more expensive because there's twice as much. And let's give you the lowdown. 200 grams will give you 557 yards or 510 meters. It's 70% premium acrylic and 30% polyamide. Banana Beach, and it's machine washable to 40 degrees and all that stufferoni. There are the symbols. I'm not good with those, so I'm letting you see them. So this is Banana Beach. Look at those colours. They're gorgeous. They are very tropical, aren't they? It's like a fruit punch or a cocktail. And this one, this is my absolute favourite though, this one. It's called Parrot Beach. And it is really, really lovely. This green really does set it off. Absolutely beautiful. Parrot Beach is my favourite. Oh, before I put that one away. There is a swatchy thing on the side. There is, but you know, depends on your work, how wide your work is and everything else, like I said before. So all the same gubbins for Parrot Beach. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. I cannot tell you how soft these yarns are. They are like crazy. Okay then, Tropical Beaches, 200 grams at Wool Warehouse is £8.79 per ball. Knitting Network, same, £8.79 per ball. And Lovecrafts, guess what? £8.79 per ball. Identical prices from all three. Hobby Rocks, £8.59. Beat them again. Well, that's it. That's my yarns of the week. Now, Parrot Beach, I was knitting a pullover with that. Never got to finish it. No longer in touch with the person that I was going to give it to either. So I'll just undo it and make something else. Cherish and Cherished, I've made baby blankets. They are so pretty, beautiful colours, and I intend to make some more with that. And the only one I haven't really used is Beaches, the actual smaller Beaches yet, but I've still got time. But those are my choices for this yarn of the week. I haven't done a yarn of the week for a very long time, but I figured I would get them out of mothballs and show you. Well, they're not in mothballs. They are in a lovely big box each. Each one has its own container in my shop. So those are the ones that I've chosen. As you can see, beat them on price every time. Can't be bad. So thank you so much for watching. In the description box below, you'll find a link to my shop. And at the moment, there is a free ergonomic crochet hook. Here it is. Free ergonomic crochet hook. That's the latest promotion. And all you have to do is put the code in. If you for qualifying purchases. I may drop that down a smidge anyway. But yeah, a few of these have gone. I don't know how many I've got left. But until they run out, I'm going to continue to do the free hook. Yeah, thank you for watching. And watch out, if you haven't found it already, I've got an upgraded, new and improved willow square. I'll try and remember to put a link to that at the end. That's my latest tutorial. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.